Hi everyone, in this video I'll teach you how to add Grammarly to your Google Docs. So to start, simply go to Chrome Store, this one right here, Chrome Web Store. It's called chrome.google.com. And now search for an extension, simply type in Grammarly and click right here on the icon. And now you need to click Add to Chrome, click Add Extension. And now you just need to sign up by entering your detail, or you simply sign in with your account. Once you're signed in, simply click away from this page and this page, and simply go to your Google Docs and click Reload right here. And now, simply go down and click on the little icon down here. And here you can see that you have your Grammarly. So if I write something, let me write chickens can do go to the farm. So just like write a mistake, you can see that Grammarly automatically tries to correct my sentence. Can so chickens can go to the farm. And that is simply how you add Grammarly to Google Docs.